Hi and welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time you're welcome. My name's Simone. In some of the videos that I made before, which I should have put up, if I haven't, or if I have, I will put links above and below. I'm meal prepping for my mum who is currently in hospital. I mentioned in my last video that she had an operation to remove a mass out of her lung, so they've removed part of her lung. So I have cooked like this for her before, and she has lost, I think it will be 10 kgs or 2 stone. So I am meal prepping for when she gets out of hospital, and I would say there's probably at least a week's worth of food here, but I obviously need to buy salads and things like that. But because she's in hospital, I don't want to buy them things because they're perishable, so we'll need to get them at a later date. So she bought these dark cherries. I told her to get some berries because the sugar content is lower, but she's got these. If she has just a couple of them in the morning with this full fat 10% Greek yogurt, she may have one. I mean, it's quite, I'd probably polish all that off if I ate yogurt, but my mum doesn't like to eat a lot, so this is one portion, but I don't know whether she'll eat all of that, so she might eat that over 2 days. So potentially these breakfasts could be for 6 days. So she'll put a bit of cherries on, and I've asked her to put some of this on top, the flax seeds, almond, Brazil nuts, walnuts, and coenzyme 10, just to sprinkle on it. I've asked her when she gets out of hospital to have some of this. It's got no sugar in or anything, and I thought it would be good for all the different bacteria because obviously she'll be having antibiotics, and she's never had this before, so I've tried to explain to her what it tastes like, and I thought that it would be better to have the cherry flavour instead of the plain in case she doesn't like it. Now, like I said, I made these almond biscuits, stroke little bread rolls, and they've cooled down now, and my husband thought they were really tasty, and so did the kids. So I'm going to make another batch. I've got the baking parchment paper here. I'm going to make another batch, and I've got the flour there, the almond flour. I'm going to make them, and then I thought what she could do is, if she's really, because she's got a bit of a sweet tooth, she could always defrost a few of these cherries and have it with that if she's feeling a bit like she wants something sweet, because Ryan said he reckons that they taste like scones, these. So these are the Brussels sprout and cauliflower, and then this one's just a cauliflower on its own, and some of them just have cauliflower in. So I've got all these ready here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them, 7 actually. So I've got 7 of them. She doesn't like massive portions, like I said, so that with a salad would do her nicely. I already froze these two the other day, so I made just a beef bolognese for her with tomato sauce, and I made stock myself and everything, so hopefully it's got loads of nutrients in there for her. And then, you know, every now and again you're craving like rice or carbs or something like this. I got this. I don't know whether it's keto friendly or not. I think it is because it says 0 carbs, gluten free, organic, wheat free, fat free, and sugar free. So I said to her maybe she could have this with the bolognese, just, you know, once or twice a week. It's like an alternative to rice, I suppose. So I'm gonna have to double check that this is fine, but it says it's got no carbohydrates in it. It's got fibre, so hopefully this will be fine for her to have. So I got these. It was buy one get one for a penny, so it was like £2.64 for the 2. And then she bought this Greek style salad cheese. She said she's going to have this with some lettuce and some tomatoes. And then we've got her different kinds of like they had the full fat cream fat soft cheese here, so she could have them with them biscuits. And unfortunately it's lighter, and I wanted it to be full fat, but they didn't have it. But it's got no sugar in, it's just got herbs and garlic in. And then I've got another one there because they've got a long shelf life, so I thought she'd be able to have them whenever she wanted. And then I've got her eggs, and I'm going to get her some more eggs. So she said she's going to have some hard-boiled eggs with salad some days, maybe for lunch, and omelettes maybe for breakfast, fried eggs, omelette with cheese, because we've got some cheddar cheese as well, but I've used most of it in this cream sauce, so I need to get her some more. So yeah, eggs are just really versatile, aren't they? So I'm going to stock up on eggs for her. And then she loves her butter anyway, so we've got some butter there for her to cook with. Coconut oil as well, so she can cook with that. Now when it comes to keto desserts, I haven't made any yet. Like I said, I'm in the middle of prepping all this ready for her because I'm going home on Wednesday and my brother's going to be here helping her out. So I just thought it'd be really easy for him to get these in. It's unfortunate because her operation was postponed and I should have been here for at least like 3 weeks of her recovery, but I can always come back. So these are some of the items and I'm hoping that I'll be able to tell you how she is. I have got some other like ingredients like that: garlic salt, pepper, Himalayan salt, herbs, spices, all that kind of stuff. So what I possibly will do is show her how to use her iPhone so that she can maybe film some of that foods that she's eating, show you how she's getting on, I think. So I hope that this gives you an idea of the kind of keto items that I'm making for my mum. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!